Welcome back to Unbox Anish. So today we are going to unbox the latest iPhone from Apple, which is iPhone 16. So yesterday I went and bought this marvelous phone. So let's quickly unbox it. So this I bought from Aptronics. This is iPhone 16 white color. This is 128 GB. I have bought multiple things. One iPhone and the corresponding adapter, which is 20 watts adapter, because iPhone is not giving. You will see what is there in the box, and tamper glass. So the reason I will tell you, because I have used iPhone 11 in the past without tamper glass, which prone to many scratches, and as well as back case. So immediately I have purchased this back case just to use it further with the back case. So let's quickly open this box. While purchasing itself, I have opened the box. Just quickly open this. So if you see, starting itself, the major change from iPhone 15 is the way they place the cameras. They have placed these cameras vertically. So same thing we have seen the oldest phones like iPhone 11 as well as iPhone 10. You can see that here. This is my iPhone 11. The placement is similar to this one. So they told this is useful for spatial video recording. So that we'll see later. And as well as on the sides, you can see there is a camera control button. And there is one disadvantage with this one camera control button. I will show you later in this video. As well as you can see the action button. So this is nothing but our mute button in the past. So this mute button is replaced with action button. This action button is having multiple purposes which we can choose from settings. I will show that later in the video. And remaining things are same. So let's quickly remove this and power on. Let's keep this phone aside for the time being. What is there in the box? As you know, we will not get anything from Apple. So apart from mobile, we are getting a Type-C to Type-C cable and a SIM ejector and very few manuals. No booklets, nothing. Just few manuals. That's it. So you're not getting anything out of this. So we need to purchase this 20 watts power adapter separately. So this costed me around 1,999 rupees. And coming to internals, as you can see, first with respect to the action button. So action button, you can choose no action, as well as you can select what are the different options which is present, like magnifier, recognize music, torch, camera. Likewise, you can choose as you like. So most of the people will be using to keep it in silent mode, but it's up to you. You can choose that. And coming to the second part, as you can see here, this is the camera control button. You can use it for zooming and multiple settings. You can choose from here. You can take photos from here, as well as if you just double click, we'll get different options you can select. So in the past I have told, right, there is a disadvantage with this one. So okay, so this is the back case which I bought from Aptronics. This also costed me around 2,000 rupees. Gap here. So if you want that setting to come, you need to press a little bit hard. It's not easy when compared without back case. So this is one of the drawbacks. So that's it, guys. This is the initial impressions of the phone. Phone looks good.